Hi everyone and welcome to lesson 19. 30 words for intermediate students. String. The string will break. That. Is that what you want? Army. He joined the army last year. Dad, daddy, papa, pop, dada. Lots of love from your daddy. Service. We do not provide such services. Firm. Can you send us a firm order? Laugh, laughter. He made me laugh. Religion, religious. They are very religious. June. She was born on June 11. She was born on the 11th of June. Base. Based on. We are based in Prague. Text base. Handsome. Your son is such a handsome boy. Spend, spent, spent. Did you spend it all? Language. What's your language? Own, owner, ownership. Can I speak with the owner, please? Spring. Spring, sprang, sprung. Spring is my favorite season of the year. Dislike. What are your likes and dislikes? People. We have to listen to the voice of the people. Write, wrote, written. Have you written it yet? Realize. I didn't realize that you were here too. East, eastern. We have an east-facing house. Attic. Her little room is in the attic. Into. I don't want to get into trouble. Spice, spices, spicy. I don't like spicy food. Milk. I know how to milk a cow. Opportunity. This would be a great opportunity for us. Tie. Tie your shoelaces. Field. What field did you study? Hard. Study hard. Show, showed, shown. Show off. Can you show me how to drive this? Biology. I never liked biology. That's it for today. Thank you. Bye-bye.